All right, first of all, if you don't see that tool over here, it's probably because your toolbar is on basic. Basic is just a few, is half the number of tools, so make sure you're on advanced. And make sure your control bar is clicked. It's this one at the top. It sometimes disappears. Okay. So, okay, in order to use this tool, we're going to draw some circles. I'm holding Shift to make a perfect circle. Okay. If you hold Option while you click on, you have to go to the selection tool. If you hit Option while you click on a shape, it actually just copies it. So we're going to pull it out a little bit. You want to get that to, it's like 2 circles. Okay, that's good. You want to select all and take off the fill so that you can see the lines underneath. All right. Now we need to stretch this out a little bit because the apple has a little bit, it's a little smaller here on the bottom. So we're going to click on the direct select tool. We're going to kind of highlight these, and we're just going to grab, I think, this one right here. That's about right. Okay. And then we're going to select all, and we're going to click on the Shape Builder tool. Notice when you're on the Shape Builder tool, it shades in the parts. It knows these are intersecting, and so it shades them in, and we can select them, we can combine them, we can delete them. So we're going to combine these, so I click and drag, and a line forms, and it starts to highlight the whole thing. You let go, and you've created one shape now. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker. Maybe not. Okay, there we go, just a little thicker. All right, we need to do the apple bite. Well, that's again another circle. I'm gonna grab that out of there. I'm going to move it into position. Let me just take a look. It looks like a little bit longer. Maybe like that. Right now we're just trying to learn the tools, so it doesn't really matter how precise you are. Come over here and click on the Shape Builder tool, and we're gonna combine these two. And then all we're going to do is remove this circle. We've got the apple bite. We can just delete that. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is click on the circle tool. We're going to make the leaf. And the leaf is really just like the intersection between 2 circles. So I'm going to hold Option again. Nope, sorry. You got to click on the selection tool, or it'll try to draw more circles. Hold down Option, pull it to the side. There's the leaf in the middle. So we need to select these 2 things. Click on the Shape Builder tool again. Click in the middle. And then you should just be able to select these parts away. And there it is. Okay. Just delete those. It does need to tilt. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you this. So on the selection tool, you can grab these corners and you can obviously make it bigger and smaller. But if you hover outside just a little bit more, it turns into the rotation tool. I'm not clicking right now, I'm just hovering. See, hovering. And then you can twist it a little bit and put it right there. And then if you want, you can group them just so that when you start to move, it stays right where it is. So there's the Apple logo. You, of course, can fill it so it looks like that normal one. And that's it. You can, trying to draw these things with the paintbrush tool, it's just better to get used to using shapes and creating shapes at this point. This is going to be a lot better quality of digital drawing.